Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm so happy to see you. If you're new here, my name is Shraddha and I welcome you to this video. मेरे पास actually काफ़ी nude shades है available. I really like those shades. It little थोड़ा pinkish tone और mauve tone मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद आता है. So you know I have around like 12 to 13 lipsticks in this shade. So the first lipstick which I'm going to talk about is by Huda Beauty. This is the bullet lipsticks which they have. This is the matte lipstick. The shade name is Wedding Day. It's a beautiful shade. It's proper nude color and you can wear it like for office और आप कहीं बाहर जा रहे हो. ये बहुत amazing लगता है ये shade. I really like the packaging also. It's like the magnetic packaging. So I personally love this shade a lot. मैं काफ़ी यूज़ करती हूँ ये shade. This was actually gifted to me by my sister and I use this since then. मतलब मैं this is like my go to lipstick. तो मैं हमेशा यही lipstick use करती हूँ whenever I'm going to office or I don't want to like wear like a loud color. So this is the shade I go for. Moving on towards the next lipstick, these are the two lipsticks which I really love and these are like my current favorite. These are from Smashbox. These are their always on liquid lipsticks. So the two shades which I use are Boss Up and the second is Gulabe. तो ये काफ़ी न्यूड अमेजिंग टेक्सचर, अमेजिंग कलर एंड नॉट वेरी ड्राइंग. मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. दीज आर लाइक माई गो टू लिपस्टिक्स राइट नाउ. You can always find me wearing these two colors a lot. Sometimes I mix these two shades या फिर I usually go for like Boss Up. ये थोड़ा न्यूड इसका शेड थोड़ा डार्क है. मतलब थोड़ा पिंकिश टोन है इसमें एंड थोड़ा रेडिश टोन है. मोर लाइक थोड़ा ब्रिक शेड है. तो आई रियली लाइक दिस सूट्स माई स्किन टोन अ लॉट. तो मैं ये काफ़ी यूज़ करती हूँ. एंड द सेकेंड इज़ गुलाबे विच इज़ लिटिल पिंकिश न्यूड शेड. तो ये भी काफ़ी अमेजिंग कलर है एंड आई यूज़ दिस अ लॉट एज वेल. द नेक्स्ट न्यूड लिपस्टिक विच आई हैव इज़ बाय सेफोरा. सो दीज आर लाइक these are called I think contour and color lip crayons by Sephora. So the shade number is I can't find it actually. 09. Yeah, the shade number is 09. The shade name is Mauve. तो ये actually ये double ended lipstick है. So the one side you have the lipstick एंड द अदर साइड यू हैव द लाइनर. तो ये थोड़ा फाइन आप लिप लाइन करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. दिस इज़ लाइक द फाइन एंड and the next the opposite end is like for your filling your lips. So this is also like a really nice shade. This also I use it for like daily wear. ये daily wear के लिए amazing color है. And this is also like long lasting, not very much of course, but like normal lipstick से आपको थोड़ा ये ज़्यादा long lasting है. And ये थोड़ा after some time it becomes little matte. So this is also like a great lipstick if you want to have like a lip liner and lipstick in one. तो ये आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. You can just put it in your makeup like your vanity pouch. तो you don't have to like carry two things like a liner and lipstick. So this is like a great thing कि 2 in 1 आपको एक ही product में मिल जाता है. Next nude lipstick which I have is by L'Oreal. This is the shade number is 630. I don't really have the shade name या और कुछ information नहीं है, but this is like your proper bullet lipstick. दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टेक्स्चर. ये आपको दिखने में ऐसे लगेगा कि ये मैट नहीं है, बट वंस यू अप्लाई इट बिकम्स मैट एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग विच आई रियली लव अबाउट इट. एंड आई यूज़ दिस लाइक फॉर माई ऑफिस वेयर. सो आई एम ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एट द एंड. मतलब ये अभी ख़त्म हो जाएगा, बट आई रियली लव दिस शेड अ लॉट. The next shade is by MAC. These are the MAC bullet lipsticks. This is basically the one which I'm wearing right now. The shade name is Twig. I think A78 is like the shade number. So these are basically like the satin finish lipstick. These are not like your matte lipstick, but ये after a point थोड़ा matte हो जाता है, but not much. ये थोड़ा transfer होता है when you drink something or eat something, थोड़ा transfer होता है, but the shade is beautiful. It's like a mixture of nude and like pink, तो ये थोड़ा वैसा वाला shade है. I use this a lot. This was basically like my first MAC lipstick जो मैंने purchase किया था, and I really love this shade, and it's almost coming towards the end. ये ख़त्म होने आया है, तो आई एम obviously going to repurchase this shade again for sure. So the next lipstick is by Smashbox. This is like the mini version of the Always On liquid lipstick. तो ये actually वो combo में they sell. तो ये मैंने actually एक ये shade है, and the second shade is गुलाबी जो मैंने आपको पहले दिखाया था, but like in the mini version. So this shade is called Stepping Out. So this is like a proper nude shade. मतलब ये this is like the same color of my lips. तो ये मतलब if it's like wearing nothing on your lips, it's like the like ultimate matte lipstick for me. ये मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, बट whenever my makeup is little loud, I just want to tone it down, so I wear this shade because ये थोड़ा टोन कर देता है मेकअप लुक को, and it's not like a really loud color, and it's perfect nude for my lips because this matches exactly with my lips. So it feels like I'm not wearing anything, but yeah, this is a shade. The shade name is Stepping Out. So if you really want to like have like a proper nude shade, this is the shade you can go for. The next nude lipstick which I have is by My Glam. This is again the Manish Malhotra collection. तो मैंने जो आपको पहले जो lip gloss दिखाया था, so I purchased this with this lipstick. तो the lipstick का जो नाम है, that is called Barely Nude. There is no name, there is no number actually of this shade, but the name is Barely Nude, and the price is around 950. तो काफ़ी अच्छा लिपस्टिक है. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो सिमिलर टू लाइक द टेक्स्चर ऑफ द प्रीवियस लिपस्टिक विच आई शोड ऑफ लॉरियल. सेम थिंग, ये आपको दिखने में ऐसे लगेगा कि दिस इज़ नॉट मैट, बट वंस यू अप्लाई इट बिकम्स मैट, एंड ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं बट थोड़ा बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. आई मीन इट वोंट लाइक इफ़ यू ईट समथिंग और ड्रिंक समथिंग, ये थोड़ा ट्रांसफ़र होगा, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम इट गेट्स like matte on your lips. So this is also a nice shade. I really love the packaging. It also has the magnetic packaging like how Huda Beauty has, and the packaging looks very like luxurious. तो ये packaging wise बहुत अच्छा है, and even the lipstick is really good. The next lipstick which I have in the nude shade is by MAC again. It's the shade number is 923. The shade name is Stay Curious. These are those Power Kiss lipsticks which they have. जो मेरा पहला lipstick था Burning Love, it's the similar texture. It's basically like very matte, like the powder matte lipsticks, and the shade is also very beautiful. I think ये कैमरा में थोड़ा रेड दिख रहा है, but it is more towards like the mauve tone, थोड़ा nudish mauve वैसा shade है, and this is actually gifted by my sister again. This is like recently I got this product, and I really love this shade because I tried in her vanity, and I really told her that I really love this shade, so she gifted me on my birthday. So that's really sweet of her, but I honestly really love this shade. It is very similar to Twig, but little like Twig से थोड़ा ज़्यादा nude shade में है. Twig is more towards pinkish, this is more towards like mauve tones. So this is also, the price I'm sure is also similar to what MAC lipsticks are. तो same I think 1800 वाला उसका price range है. So this is also like a beautiful shade in like nude color. So the next not lipstick really, but like the lip gloss which I have in nude color is by Clinique. This is the same lip gloss which I showed you in pink color. ये उसमें ही variant है in like a nude shade. This has actually little थोड़ा metallic types है ये lip gloss. So you can top it on your lipstick, and you just want to apply a gloss, you can wear this, and it is actually, the texture is really good. काफ़ी thick texture है इसका compared to like other lip glosses which I have used. So it is also similar to like what the previous Clinique lip gloss which I have. This is also very similar to that. बट ये थोड़ा मेटालिक शेड में है, तो अगर आप if you're going for a party and you're wearing like a matte lipstick, you can just top it up with this lip gloss. It also has like a little shine, so it will look very beautiful. Now moving on towards the next lipstick, this is not really like a nude shade, but this is like the only brown shade which I have. So I thought of including this in the nude collection only. This is by Nykaa. These are their Nykaa liquid lipsticks. I purchased it I think last year. The shade is really beautiful. मतलब आपको एकदम proper brown shade चाहिए तो you can go for this lipstick. The shade number is 18. The shade name is Chai. The product is like you get like 5 ml in this product, but trust me, I've been using this since last year and ये ज़्यादा ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. And the texture is also beautiful. ये like in like 5 seconds ये matte हो जाता है. It's like a liquid lipstick, but it's not very drying. But like while removing this lipstick, you have to like use like like a proper makeup remover, like a lip makeup remover. Only then it comes off. But it's not like a really struggle. I really love this shade, so of course after finishing this I'm going to repurchase it for sure. So we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, so please like and comment on this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. And I will of course link all the products which I can find in the description box. So if you want to purchase any of the product, you can of course go through the link and purchase it. So that's it, guys, and hope to see you soon. Bye.